Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions for Motorola Moto G62 5G. And to do this, open up the settings, go for the system at the bottom, then gestures, and right here we can see all of the gestures and motions available on this device. So first let's go with two of the system gestures and motions that are covered in our other videos, and there's a system navigation and one-handed mode. These two settings I won't be covering right now. All of the settings that are here will be covered. So first, double press power key to launch assistant or camera. You can use one of these for this specific motion or gesture, and here let's try launching an assistant by double pressing on the power key. And here we have the assistant. Next one is a power touch. Double tap on the power button for a quick shortcuts, and right here make sure that it's enabled. Then navigate to the settings. Here go for double tap for shortcuts, and now we can use and add or remove different applications from this gesture. And let's remove the clock or alarms and add a Firefox, for example. You can also go with tools or contacts if you want. So let's try it. We need to tap the power button, not click it, just tap it 2 times. And here's this menu with a Firefox that we've just added. Now moving on, we have a prevent ringing, which you can turn off or use the vibrate settings for it. And if you enter it, you can also enable or disable it, or use press power and volume up together to vibrate or mute, and let's try that. Calls and notifications will be muted, and now if we press it, they will vibrate. There's also attentive display. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it, and go here. Now make sure that it's on. It will need to detect your face, so turn it on. And now if the phone detects that you're looking at the device, make sure that it can see your face. It shouldn't dim or time out the screen. Next one is pick up to silence. Pick up the phone to silence the ringer, and if your phone is ringing and you enable the setting and pick up the phone, it should stop ringing. There's no way I can show you it right now, but trust me, it works. Maybe right here. Yeah, and it's silent, so that works like that. There's also flip for do not disturb mode. Flip the phone over to enable do not disturb mode, enter it. Here you can enable it, and now if we perform gesture like that, it should enter DND mode, but it might be a bit tricky, so let's try that motion again. So I guess right now it should be in do not disturb mode, and if we flip it back on, it should be in a normal mode. Go back. Next one is media control. Use the volume keys to change tracks when the screen is off. So to go to the next previous track when the screen is off, press and hold the volume up or down key. And if we hold it, it should move to the next track, and if we hold the bottom one, it should go to the previous track. That's simple. Next is 3-finger screenshot, and if you enable it, you can tap and hold 3 fingers onto the screen to make a screenshot like that. That's also very simple. There's fast torch. Turn the torch on and off with 2 karate chop motions. That one is really tricky and it's hard to make it work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So the flashlight is turned off, the setting is on. Let's try it. Yeah, as I said, it's very tricky and we're gonna make it at some point. Yeah, it works. Okay. And now do the same motion and it should turn off. So it went kinda weird, but it works if you know how to do it perfectly. Next one is a quick capture. Twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera at any time. So this one usually works fine, and let's go and try it out. We simply need to do it like that and we should enable the camera. There's also swipe to split. See the apps in a split screen by swiping back and forth, and let's enable it. And right here, if you have multiple apps open, you'll be able to part them on two sides of the screen. So use a Google Maps here and YouTube here. So that works like that. And there's lift to unlock. Unlock your screen by picking up and looking at the screen. Enable it, and then now let's lock the device and see if it works. Probably it. Oh no, okay, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.